I think I heard sirens going off in there.
Yoga.
Ryan Little.
Japan.
Happy Friday, everyone. That was an amazing workout. Like, wow, that was so good. You guys, I think, well, not I think, this new program, or it's not even a new program because I've actually done it before a long time ago, but this is absolutely my favorite. I just haven't done it in a long time, and I don't think I've done this many of them. Or maybe I did a different, it might have been a different one. This one I love. It's called, I think I told you already, Body Beast. Man, today was back in biceps. And even though I had like minimal equipment, I didn't have a lot of heavy weight. The way they do it is, I mean, it's so hard that like you don't even need like super heavy weights because they do like complete burnouts. Man, I feel really good. So I burned 481 calories doing this, and I feel really good. My muscles are absolutely fatigued and I feel really good, so I'm glad I got it in. I didn't work out the last couple days. Wednesday we were traveling. Yesterday I was so exhausted for some reason, but I think that if I would have just got up and worked out, I would have felt better. But today I feel really good. And I forgot that I had the embodied gathering today, so I actually have to get ready for that. Travis is downstairs making breakfast. Ison is on his school call. Oh, there's Travis.
The food is there.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, so I'm gonna jump in the shower and then get ready for this call, this meeting. It's at 11 o'clock this time, so yeah. And then the rest of the day, I don't know. I mean, it's supposed to be really, really nice today, so I'm hoping that maybe we can go for a walk around the neighborhood or something. Maybe they'll go with me, I hope. Look at my hair, it's so long, it's so great. So hopefully they will. It's not really it's not sunny out right now. It's actually kind of foggy, but hopefully the weather gets better. And then I'll be done by the time Ison's done with his school. He has another call at 1. I'll be done with the embodied gathering, so it'll actually work out perfect. So anywho, that's it for now. I'm gonna go ahead, jump in the shower real quick, eat breakfast with them, and then get ready. Talk to you later. Happy Saturday. We are chilling like villains. It's already late in the day.
We're going in?
Earlier. What do we do? Oh, we ate breakfast. Oh, I did a workout. The workout was amazing. I did Body Beast, the leg workout, which I was sweating bullets. And now I did a session with Kareen for an hour, and then she didn't send me the link for something, so I wasn't able to finish it out. But I went with the boys to, aw, he closed the door on me so he could open it for me. So sweet, little Sour Patch Kid. I let him sit in the front seat. For those of you who are like, he shouldn't be sitting in the front. No, I was like, no, you stay in the front seat, because I came last minute. But now we're taking.
I have that game inside my. I have that car inside my game, a Mercedes.
You do?
It's actually one of my fastest cars.
Yeah. So now we're showing Easton Martin Luther King's church. This is when Travis and I first came here together in February. We took a picture here.
Going.
You go up the steps. Go up the steps and I'll take a picture of it.
Meemaw is gonna love this. Cute little Sour Patch Kid.
Sour Patch Kid.
He's sour and then he's sweet.
First he's sweet, then he's sour.
Depending on the day. Most of the time he's sweet
Put
first.
your arms down.
Martin doesn't want to smell your pits.
Don't do that either. This is black character. Isis.
Aww. He's so cute.
Okay, now stand in front right there and we'll be done, since you want to disrespect the king. Well, have you seen the Boondocks?
Oh my gosh. Aw, he's so cute. You look so not happy. Why do you look so miserable?
Because I thought I heard a siren in there.
A siren?
It was like.
Take a picture next to the king.
No,
I
it's
heard
okay.
That was weird. Ouch. Don't try to get in the picture now, Isis. Yeah, too short.
Come back here. Come back here. You come back here. And you, there you go.
You go listen. I kind of heard I saw the siren.
He looks so scared though. You look so bothered when you were standing there. So I was like, why do you look so sad? And he was like, I think I heard sirens going off in there. And then I actually went back there and he was right. There were. Thanks, babe. Yeah. So there are sirens going off. Thank you. In there. For whatever reason. But he looked so disturbed. Where's my phone?
I don't know what you mean.
Give me my phone, boy.
I don't know what you mean. I don't have
Do
it.
you want your life?
I don't have
How
your
much
phone.
do you value your life?
I do not have your
I just
phone.
heard it buzz in your butt crack.
I don't
Give me
have
your-
I do not.
Bryson, give her her phone.
It was buzzing in his
Hey,
cannolis. Ew.
Moving your underpits.
Now it stinks. Gross. Little stinky boy. Anyway, we're just gonna drive around and we're Pokemon hunting because today is community day, so we.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
It's yearly community.
It is community day where they don't just have one. For those of you who know anything about community day, there's usually one Pokemon that's special for the day. But today is all the Pokemon that were a community day Pokemon for the whole year are popping up. So we're just having fun doing that. And yeah, this is our last day here. Tomorrow morning we're gonna leave bright and early, so we're just gonna take advantage of the time spent with the family.
And I'm gonna stay
just
up as
hang
late
out.
as possible.
He's gonna fall asleep at 6 o'clock.
I need to go to sleep at 6.
Oh.
Now we can't be late to leave.
Can't be wait. So, yeah. Okay. Bye bye. And now we are at Martin Luther King's home. And if you guys watched the vlog from February, then you know that Travis and I also came here and we went on this tour with Travis's mom and Kenny, Papa Kenny. So, yeah. Now Icy Poo gets to see it. But he's in the middle of a battle, so battles are more important apparently.
not the case.
Priorities, you know?
I just have to beat this kid's bumper check. 6, 7, 8 cars that are the same thing in a row.
So here we are.
Yeah.
If he comes out.
Yeah.
Do you want to meet him?
Gotta go
Why?
on the door.
Dead.
Oh, I was about to say, you better get that right.
Sacrifice your life.
Isaac, go up there. Hurry up.
There will be no sirens going off. Must there be sirens going off?
You don't want to meet him? Go up on the porch. Gee, really?
He's not in there. He's so cute.
Turn around and hurry up.
Oh, he's so cute. He's such a little turd, but he's so cute.
Stand by the sign real quick.
Aww.
All your proof that you can take into Black History School. Back. Smile right before I bust your lip like that for you. Hurry up.
Smile with your teeth. Aww. Smile with your teeth.
Don't step out from the factory.
Wait, what?
Martin Luther's home.
What'd you say?
They never smile with teeth unless you're dead.
What?
Alright, come on.
What? Okay. We have to take our picture.